Elephant Sands is a renowned bush camp located near Nata, Botswana, and offers an immersive and unique experience in the heart of the wild nature. Its distinctive feature is the common area, equipped with a small pool and a panoramic terrace overlooking a waterhole, where the majestic elephants come to drink and cool off. The emotion of observing these peaceful giants as they move freely, just a few steps away, is priceless. The camp has bungalows arranged in a circle around this oasis, while the camping area allows visitors to live the experience in a more adventurous way. The peculiarity of Elephant Sands is precisely the constant presence of large herds of elephants, which pass calmly between the waterhole and the bush, sometimes even crossing the tent area, making the stay even more exciting. From the pool and terrace, you can enjoy a privileged and incredibly close view of these majestic creatures, offering unforgettable moments in total safety. The serenity of the environment, combined with the charm of the elephants cooling off in the water, creates a magical atmosphere where the boundary between man and nature seems to dissolve.